Let's see the poem Explosion by Viva Marie van der Poorten. Viva Marie van der Poorten is a contemporary Sri Lankan writer in English, and she has written several poetry while working as a university lecturer. On the day truckload of explosives drove into the central bank, for a long second time staggered. So when the truck full of bombs came, time actually stalled or wait for some time. All sounds of a workday morning in the city, even the cawing of the crows, merged or got together into a solitary boom, prism of fire and fury. So even from the small workers, laborers to all the people around and buildings, this great impact had a great negative result. Lives ended, eyes were blinded, retired wage earners collecting provident funds were crushed under brick and glass. So some people came to collect their provident fund or after working for so many years to collect the money that they get from the company. Some people were street vendors, all were civilians. No one knew what was going to happen. The nearby vegetable sellers' hands were severed or cut like cucumbers. Women in sari held their eyeballs in the palms. And blood spattered the streets, erasing memory. So everyone was doing their normal day-to-day life, but within 1 second, everything got erased. The roads got damaged, the buildings, people, memories were lost. Out of the broken window of a damaged car, dead driver, the radio blared unscathed on a commercial break. A man's pleasant voice announced that big or small insurance protects them all. So it's very ironical in the end. So from a broken window, we can see the damaged car, the dead driver, etc. And still, news is going on. What does the news say? That it is a kind of a situation where whatever happens, insurance protects us. So here actually we can see that the writer very clearly focuses on the Sri Lankan war context referring to violence and terrorism. So through this poem, basically as a theme, we can understand the futility or the uselessness of war and terrorism and the great negative impact that bombs and explosions have on innocent civilians. On the other hand, as techniques, the writer uses a number of visual images through descriptive language, and he uses a very conversational type of diction as well as realism, because we are a country that went through quite a lot of troubles due to war. So here actually the writer looks at not only the adults and women and children, but also he refers to the whole society and say how they are affected. On one hand is the common people who come for daily errands to the town. On the other hand are the civilians who are going here and there on the streets, all got affected negatively by the bomb. So the writer basically through this simple poem wants us to understand the stupidity of having war and terrorism and the importance of spreading love and kindness. So in order to practice this further, you can write an appreciation on the poem as well.